Welcome to Looking at the Markets. I want to give you a few secret hidden tips and places that I look on the internet and specifically on Yahoo Finance to help me pick out the best and leave out the rest when it comes to investing. I want to help you become a better trader so that you can beat the street, hopefully, or at least improve drastically. That's what I'm looking to help people to do. So I want you to go to Yahoo Finance. This is free, finance.yahoo.com. If you haven't bookmarked this website yet, why haven't you? Okay, this should be on your phone. This should be on your laptop, desktop, whatever you're using, tablet. And I go to it every single day, even on weekends, but maybe I'm a little bit obsessive with my research, okay? I research the heck out of a company before I even consider it. And today's example I'm going to show you is called Kosmos Group Holdings, stock ticker symbol COSG on the OTC markets. And I believe that this is going to be the year of the small caps. Revenge of the smallies, right? Yeah, if last year the mega caps, the Magnificent Seven, ran ahead of everything, well, I think it's catch-up time. Okay, not catch up on your hot dog. I'm talking about catching up to the large caps. And I imagine that there could be an explosive move with something this cheap right now, 0.0006 cents. That's very affordable. I like that a lot. Okay, so again, it's COSG, Kosmos Group Holdings. This is the holding company for Coinlectables. I'll tell you more about that in a moment, but I'm going to show you how I research companies like this first with huge potential. Okay, I like a company that's trading near its 52-week lows, and there it is. Okay, 52-week low, 0.0005. Now it's 0.0006. And huge potential in my opinion. This is a company with a market cap of only $1.2 million and assets of over $19 million. Do the math. When the market cap potentially goes way, way up, what could happen to the stock price, especially when it's this low? We're not expecting NVIDIA or advanced micro devices or something like that to make a moonshot, possibly a 2x, 3x, 10x move, but something like this could when it's trading that cheap. I also look at the volume, plenty of volume, 20 million shares traded just today as I'm recording this. So I don't have to worry about something having only 10 shares traded in a day or 100. Low liquidity, low volume could be a problem. No problem with this one. Now, after looking at the chart, looking at the basic statistics on finance.yahoo.com, what you can do, and a lot of people don't even know about this, I like to click on financials. That is super, super important. And I clicked on financials, make sure it's the right stock, COSG, Kosmos Group Holdings. Free cash flow. More people need to look at this. This is something you should be looking at every day when you're researching companies. Is it positive? Yes. 2,000, so $2 million free cash flow according to Yahoo Finance as of the end of last year, which is not that long ago now. So that's pretty darn good, especially for a small company. You have to be realistic with small companies. I'm not going to expect Kosmos Group Holdings to have the same free cash flow as NVIDIA or something like that, AMD. Okay, those are giant companies. I'm going to be realistic, and I'm going to think, could this small company, could this small cap, nano cap, micro cap become a large cap someday? It doesn't even need to become a large cap. Even if it goes into mid cap, upper mid cap territory, this thing could have an explosive price move. And as I said, it's trading near that 52-week low. So these are things I look for first and foremost, and of course, research the company. So let's go ahead and go over to the website for Coinlectables so you can see what Kosmos Group Holdings is all about. Well, here it is, coinlectables.art. It's not .com. I'll put a link in the description below this video in case you want to check out the company. I recommend it because that's what I'm doing. It's the first publicly traded blockchain DOT technology company in the U.S. OTC markets. Redefines how we think about art and collectible ownership in the digital age. What is DOT? Not Department of Transportation. Okay, that's what I was thinking. So I dug deeper. Digital ownership tokens. Coinlectables is an arts and collectibles company. They differentiate themselves from other market players by applying the DOT digital ownership token that addresses rights and title of ownership to a physical art or collectible piece. It's not all NFTs, non-fungible tokens. It's also physical art that is underpinned by smart contracts. So here's where the digital revolution comes in. Smart contracts, with cryptocurrencies, blockchain. This is the digital ledger. This is the blockchain in action in the world of art. It's stored on the blockchain, these smart contracts. This advanced technology provides a better tool for authentication and ownership tracking of the arts and collectibles. Hey, this sounds like it could be the future of art and art ownership. Another thing I look for, and if you don't find this, then you may just want to move on to a different stock, different company. But I found this for Coinlectables and COSG stock. The contact information, where are they located? Do they have contact information right there on the front page? Yes, they do. This is called transparency, folks. Okay, so I also checked in to find out, can you find the management team? Yes, it's right there on the About Us page for coinlectables.art. There's a management team. All right, you can learn more about them. Super important. Transparency. Once again, they're not hiding. They're out in the open. You can see all their partners. Cool. Do they have a LinkedIn page with followers? Yes, Coinlectables does. Do they have a Facebook page that is frequently updated? Yes, and you can see some of the art available. That is pretty cool. They're featuring it not just on their website, but through postings on their Coinlectables Facebook page. Do they have a frequently updated Twitter feed? Yes, they do. Here it is. And there's the artwork once again, and they have followers. That's a good sign. This is not just an empty Twitter feed, not just an empty Facebook page or a LinkedIn profile. They have followers, quite a few of them. That's a positive sign. So I look for a lot of things. I want to know if they're mentioned and talked about on Yahoo Finance. Yes, they are. This is a Yahoo Finance page that talks about them. It pretty much checks all the boxes immediately. Now I'm going to look more into it. I'm going to learn more about it. But so far it's checking all the boxes, and that's what I'm looking for. Do they have a social media presence? Yes. Does their website look professional? Yes, it does. This is actually pretty nice. This does not look like it was slapped together in a day or two. This looks like it was actually put together professionally. That's something I look at. And you can see not only the NFTs, but also the physical items. Link is in the description below this video, coinlectables.art, not com, not .com, .art. Check them out. Go to Yahoo Finance. Practice what I taught you to do, and I think it'll make you potentially a much better trader and investor. So this is looking at the markets. Make sure it checks all the boxes for you. Do your research. Know what you own. Be like Warren Buffett. Be like Charlie Munger. Rest in peace. And hey, maybe you'll be successful in the markets. I think you can do it if you really put your mind to it. So thanks a lot for watching and listening, and I will talk to you again very soon.